What's up, everybody? And on today's top 5 countdown, we take you to Splash Lagoon Indoor Water Park in Erie, Pennsylvania to take a look at their 80,000 square foot indoor water park featuring 7 water slides, a lazy river, wave pool, interactive tiki play structure. There's so much about this place for you to love. So let's dive on into our top 5 countdown with number 5, Big Ahuna. Big Ahuna is a day one attraction that opened with Splash Lagoon in 2003. Big Ahuna is a 2-person tube slide that takes riders along a twisting path inside and outside of the Splash Lagoon Indoor Water Park. It comes to a splashdown in the park's lazy river, which is pretty cool because you don't even have to exit your tube to continue that attraction. And although it is a fun attraction, it is making the bottom of our list because it really doesn't do too much. It is a shorter attraction that just features a couple turns before splashing you into the river below. The river is a really cool part about the ride because you can keep lapping it after you actually finish your slide. So for that, it does come in at number 5 over Maui Wowie and Black Hole. Number 4, Hurricane Hole. Hurricane Hole is a water slide that features a toilet bowl style element. But unlike most toilet bowl slides, you are actually sliding on your body. This makes for a much more intense and thrilling ride experience than the traditional bowl slides when you're on a tube or a raft. Hurricane Hole is coming in at number 4 because although it is a very thrilling ride experience, it does lack re-rideability. It is a little bit rough and it does hurt your back after your ride. This water slide drops guests into a pool that is over 6 feet deep, so strong swimming abilities are required. This water slide may not be for everybody, but it is a fun and unique experience in the Western Pennsylvania region. Number 3, Python Plunge. Python Plunge is one of the 2 new water slides that were added in the recent addition to Splash Lagoon Indoor Water Park. This, just like Big Ahuna, is a tube slide that guests will board a raft and traverse down the course. This slide is completely outside of the indoor water park and can be seen from the nearby road Peach Street. This slide, unlike Big Ahuna, features a lot faster of a pace. It has high-speed turns, sharp drops, and a very fast splashdown. This does come in at our number 3 slide, and for a good reason. Although on the shorter end, it is still a very fun tube slide that should not be overlooked during your visit. Number 2, Shark Attack. Shark Attack is the other water slide that was added in the recent addition to Splash Lagoon, and it is a body slide. But unlike Hurricane Hole, this body slide does not take you into a toilet bowl element. It is a high-speed body slide that features sharp corners, all while going down at a very high rate of speed. This water slide is well known for having the infamous shark mouth element, where the water slide actually comes out of the wall back into the indoor water park and can be seen passing through, just barely missing the clutches of a shark. This effect is pulled off by having a mural of a shark painted onto the wall, having the water slide pass through the mural with the shark behind, and also taking the regular orange tube that can be seen on a duration of the Shark Attack slide and replacing it with a translucent blue section. So when you're sliding down the water slide, you do know that you are in that shark's mouth when you come from pitch black to light blue translucent. After that, you take one more quick right snap turn into a pool below. This is a very fun water slide that is sure to get your adrenaline pumping. And coming in at number 1 on our top 5 countdown is Cyclone. Cyclone is a day 1 attraction that opened alongside Splash Lagoon in 2003, just like Hurricane Hole and Big Ahuna. This water slide is kind of a mixture of both. It features rafts that go down a very large drop right into a right-hand turn into a toilet bowl. Unlike the toilet bowl on Hurricane Hole, you are not on your body and you are secured to a raft, and you are going around this toilet bowl several times before taking one final drop into the lazy river below. This water slide definitely is the number 1 spot because it combines speed, quick turns, and a really fun and fast-paced ride experience. Guests can see this attraction from the interactive play structure, which is super cool. You can walk up in there and you can look right down on this massive blue and green toilet bowl. So we really have to think this is the top attraction here at Splash Lagoon. Tell us what you think. Have you been to Splash Lagoon? If so, let us know in the comments below and let us know what your favorite ride there is. As always, Thank you guys so much for watching our videos. Here at Duffy's Design, we like to give you guys water slides, theme parks, haunted houses, and more. This is a new series that we'll be starting to do more often that'll feature top 10s, top 5s, and top 3s at water parks, theme parks, and more. So if you like, make sure you hit that subscribe button, share with your friends, and like the video. And as always, keep exploring, keep discovering, and keep on designing. We'll see you next time.